Introduction. We're very excited to tell you about the Learning Microsoft Office 2010 e-course because we know it's going to save you and your colleagues hours of prep time by providing you with course customization tools, built-in projects and assessments, and automatic grading for concept tests and application projects. These time-saving features let you focus your effort on what's really important, teaching. Your students will have access to the full Learning Microsoft Office 2010 Deluxe eText, as well as to tons of projects and project files, embedded video tutorials, quizzes, and enrichment material all in one convenient, easy-to-use, web-based interface. You will have access to instructor resources, including a complete wraparound Teacher's Edition that has lesson plans, teaching tips, and other information to help you prepare, teach, and assess your students. What's also great about the e-course is that you can use it in conjunction with the print-based Learning Microsoft Office text, or on its own, as a completely digital solution. Getting started. When you first receive an e-course access code, you must use it to register and set up the course. Once the course is set up, you can log in to access it. Use your web browser to go to www.pearsoncustom.com/us/MS Office 2010. Click under Register to get started. Read the license agreement and privacy policy statements. Then click I accept to continue. If you have an account, click Yes. If you do not, click No. Click Not Sure to look up your account using your email address. Then enter the access code in the boxes provided. Fill in the required information. Here's a tip. You can click the single box near the bottom of the page to display one box into which you can copy and paste the code. Click Next. Fill out the required information form and then click Next. Print the confirmation summary page for your records and then click Log In Now. Select Search Catalog to locate the course. Click the Browse by Discipline drop-down arrow and then select Computing. Learning Microsoft Office 2010 Deluxe Edition e-course displays. Click Select Program. Now type a name for the course, such as Microsoft Office 2010 e-course, and then click Finish. The course displays on the My Courses and Tutorials page. Click it to display the course homepage. It will take a few minutes for the system to prepare the course template, and you may have to refresh your browser page or sign out and log back in. Once the template is ready, it displays on the home page. From this page, you can set up sections, enroll students, and enter the e-course. Today's view. Let's click the template name to start our tour. When you enter the course, the first thing you see is Today's View. Along the left are notifications and action items. Messages display in the middle. And the course calendar and announcements display on the right. Tabs across the top give you access to the course materials, assignment calendar, and gradebook. You can customize Today's View to display the notifications and action items you want, and to create a welcome message that students see when they log in. From Today's View, you can also create announcements, which can be sent to all students or to selected students. For example, you might want to post updates or news for the class, like a new assignment or a change in the class schedule. Using the eText. The primary component of the Learning Microsoft Office 2010 e-course is the eText. Let's take a look. To access the eText, click Course Materials. Then on the right side of the screen, click Learning Microsoft Office 2010 Deluxe Edition eText. The eText is exactly the same as the printed student edition. Plus it includes tools for highlighting, bookmarking, and inserting notes. The course is designed to get students using application skills quickly. Bulleted concepts and key ideas are easy to read and are supported by step-by-step activities What makes the eCourse eText unique are the embedded media links. Highlighted key terms open the pop-up glossary. Video links open video tutorials that reinforce the text and support the needs of visual learners. Data file links open the student data files. Students can arrange the windows on screen so they can refer to the eText while working through the project steps live in the application. In addition to the eText, there are tons of student resources available as downloadable, printable PDFs. There's a complete step-by-step procedure reference document and Microsoft Office Specialist study guides for students preparing for certification. Course customization. Throughout the Microsoft Learning Office 2010 eCourse, there are many features that you can customize to fit the needs of your students. The course comes loaded with all the content you need. You'll find it on the Course Materials tab. All content is stored in folders in the Course Materials library, which displays on the left side of the page. You can add content to the eCourse Materials library. You can create new assignments, such as tests and discussions, or you can upload your own content by adding files. On the right side of the page, My Course shows the content you use most often. To add content from the library to My Course, simply select it and then click the Add button. As the teacher and course manager, you control what your students can access at any given time. When they sign in, they can only view the items you mark as shown. Anything marked hidden is not displayed in the student's view. So if you only want your students to focus on the Excel section of the eText, you simply hide the other sections. On quiz day, you might show Concept Test A and hide Concept Test B, saving it for a different section, or to use as a makeup test. To see the course as the student will see it, you can easily change from instructor view to student view. There's no need to log out and log back in using a different account. Built-in assessments. The Microsoft Office 2010 eCourse comes with a variety of built-in assessments. Each chapter includes 2 automatically graded concept tests. These tests use fill-in-the-blank, multiple choice, and true-false type questions to assess the student's grasp of the chapter concepts. The tests are automatically graded upon completion, providing instant feedback for both you and the student. The grades are immediately entered into your course gradebook. The tests can be used as a pre- or post-test for the chapter. All you really need to do is to decide when you want the student to take it. All of the concept test questions are part of the course question bank, so you can use them to create custom tests if you want. One of the most exciting features of the Learning Microsoft Office 2010 eCourse is the automatically graded grader projects. To locate the grader projects, open the Student Resources folder. Scroll down and open the Grader Projects folder. There are 24 grader projects available, 12 homework projects, and 12 assignment projects. Grader projects are step-by-step projects that the student completes live in the application, then uploads and submits for grading. The scoring, reporting, and feedback is almost instantaneous and is designed to let you easily identify the skills that each student has mastered and those that he or she needs to review. Instead of spending hours reading and grading projects, you can focus your efforts on teaching. The eCourse also includes more traditional assignments, such as downloadable, printable application tests. Course management. With the Learning Microsoft Office 2010 eCourse, you will find tons of easy-to-use course management tools that save you time and make you more efficient. Let's go to one of the most powerful tools, the assignment calendar. You use it to set up the dates for assignments and tests. Scheduling an assignment is as simple as selecting the item to assign and clicking the Assign button. But for more control, you can select Assignment Properties and then set options such as the due date. Assignments display on the calendar so you and your students can see at a glance what's coming up. Now let's look at the gradebook. All scores from the automatically graded concept tests and grader projects are automatically and immediately added to the gradebook. You can view a variety of built-in reports sorted by student, activity, and date. You can view reports for an entire section or for one student. You can also create your own customized reports. And of course, reports can be printed or downloaded. Using your instructor resources. Along with great content, the Learning Microsoft Office 2010 Deluxe e-course comes with a wealth of tools and resources to help you prepare and teach the course. Let's click Course Materials and open the Instructor Resources folder in the course library to take a look. You will find additional assignments, bonus projects, and PowerPoint presentations for each chapter. And to help guide your students to certification, there are Microsoft Office Specialist Mapping Guides, a huge benefit for students prepping for the exams. MOS certification is a great way for students to differentiate themselves when they hit the job market. You can use these guides to direct students to the MOS content they need to prepare for the exams. But the Teacher's Wraparound Edition is likely to be the resource you use the most. The Wrap is basically the student edition wrapped on two sides with the extras you need to help your students achieve. You see everything that's in the student edition, referencing the information you need to manage the classroom and promote learning. Plus you get lesson planning and instruction guidance, such as point-of-use teaching strategies, information about how to use program resources, and differentiated lesson plans. The Wrap includes questions for discussion, quick quizzes, and tons of activities that are not found in the student edition. Support. If you ever have questions or run into problems using the Learning Microsoft Office 2010 e-course, you have two options for support. The built-in Help program is a great tool to use to learn how to use an e-course feature. Click Help in the menu bar to start the program in a new browser tab. Because the program is context sensitive, it automatically opens to information about the feature you are currently using. If you have technical problems, click Support on the menu bar to view information on how to contact Pearson Education Customer Support. Conclusion. That completes our overview of the Learning Microsoft Office 2010 Deluxe Edition e-course. Before we go, we'd like to go over a few key points. Learning Microsoft Office 2010 Deluxe e-course includes the complete e-text covering Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access, and Microsoft PowerPoint. The e-text is enhanced with embedded media, including video tutorials and data files. Automatically graded concept tests and application projects provide immediate and targeted feedback. The built-in teacher's resources provide you with everything you need to prepare and teach, and course management tools let you easily customize the course for your class or for individual students. We hope you've seen that this e-course offers a great solution to help your students master Microsoft Office 2010.